My name is David Guzman. I'm a senior mechanical engineer for Sonny's. My story starts really when I was still in high school. The high school that I went to, I was fortunate enough that in 2003, one of the teachers approached me and he wanted to start a robotics team for the first robotics competition. And part of that is working with sponsors and mentors from the community, professionals in the community, to mentor kids so that they can be inspired. In 2004, one of the administratives in the high school, they heard about Sonny's and they approached Anthony and Paul about sponsoring the robotics team. And then they came to the high school, and from that point on, that's when I met them. They actually helped us design our robot. I started to develop a relationship with the Sonny's staff through the robotics program. In 2005, when we were designing the robot, I was actually here in the same conference room during kickoff. Kickoff is when we learn what the challenge is for the year. So every year there's a different game that you have to design a robot for. And then Anthony was in the room, and Anthony's like, I don't believe you, but if the robot goes that speed when it's all said and done, you can come work for us in the summer and we'll do some projects. And sure enough, that's what happened. So that's the first summer that I came and worked here as a high school student. During my first summer, my first project was the belt guard for the pump stations. So we completed the project, and today we're still using this rotational molded part in our pump stations as a belt guard cover. Unfortunately, I got sick. I got pneumonia, and I missed about 31 days worth of classes. And unfortunately, I lost some of my scholarships, and I had to withdraw the entire semester. Paul came in and he asked me to come to his office. He came to me, he's like, David, I hear that you're looking for a job in Orlando. I explained what happened to him, and I remember specifically what he said. He said, what if I told you that I don't want you to work for anybody else? What if I told you that I know how good of a job you're doing, and I know that anybody you go work for, they're gonna wanna keep you when you graduate? So he said, I want you to come work here when you graduate. So what if I tell you that we'll pay for the rest of your schooling, whatever expenses you have to go to school. I want you to finish how you started, and we'll take care of the rest. And all I want is your handshake and your commitment that when you graduate, you'll come work here for us. This was all done in a handshake, and I was absolutely ecstatic. I couldn't believe it. I was super grateful. Anyway, long story short, I stayed in school. I continued to work during the summers. I actually ended up doing my senior design project as a mechanical engineer for Sonny's. I graduated in 2012, and as soon as I graduated, literally the next week, I was working here as a full-time engineer. Throughout this whole process, I continued to mentor the high school robotics teams, and they have been inspired to pursue fields of engineering. We have hopefully inspired them to pursue their careers, and we have alumni of the program that are working at NASA, Facebook, Google, Microsoft. So the list just goes on, proving that the program works, and Sonny's truly believes in the program. This is one of the things that I love about working at Sonny's, is that I truly believe in the culture that they inspire in their employees, and they truly believe in helping the community and giving back to the community. And the Sonny's has benefited from sponsoring of the robotics program greatly, because we now have many employees that have gone through the program. So I couldn't be happier with working at Sonny's. I wake up every day when I come to work, and I don't feel like I'm going to work, because I'm doing what I love to do. And I love the people that I work with. I love the management team at Sonny's. Everybody has always been nothing but inspiring to me in my career here at Sonny's.